Good morning, everyone. It's my 29th day of 75-day challenge, and finally, I'm very close to my first month. Tomorrow, I will have finished my 13th day as well as. So, means I'm not excited to be honest because now it doesn't matter for me. I just wanted to come here every single day and I wanted to complete all the tasks, and that's it. I don't care about that 75 days challenge. One of my friend also asked, how how did you manage to complete your first 75-day challenge and this one as well as. To be honest, if I share my secret, by the way, this is not any kind of secret, but if I say how I managed to do, how I keep my consistency, actually, to be honest, I focus only my every single days. I do not focus on 75 days. Even though when I in my first 75-day challenge, when I completed that, after that I continued extra 25 days, and after completing 100 days I also continued. I come here and I do exercises. So for me it doesn't matter, because it's all about doing exercise for you, right? So these challenges are to showing the targets, what kind of target you have made for yourself, and like deadline kind of things. Okay, so that's in that kind of context we should not look only for 75 days. I will be going to be focused on myself. After that I will be do, I will going to be do rest and enjoy, and I will eat junk foods. So don't misunderstood by this thing. Means you have to focus every single day and you have to do 1% every single day. That's what matters, and that's what you have to do. That's how you can keep yourself consistent. So yeah, and tomorrow I will have finished my 30 days as well as. And yesterday I was thinking, so this is the time right now I should push myself more. I wanted to see myself how far I can go. Why I'm telling you, because nowadays I'm very comfortable to do everything, all the exercise and running and my studies. So I was thinking, why not I should force myself a little bit more, because I wanted to see how much hard work I can do in my studies. I'm not talking about my exercises, because right now I'm very good with this, and I don't think I need that much. Otherwise, I will be tired in my studies, after, while taking lectures. So I don't want it to. Completely exhaust myself. So because of that I wanted to force myself in my studies. So what I'm going to do is, in these 45 days I think has left. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to target at least for 15 hours of reading, or not reading, for studies. So this is going to be my target, and I wanted to see how far and what's my limits. So because I do every time 10 hours reading, but I wanted to target at least for 50-60 hours. So that's it. Bye.